Now, for ecology, we have got several pyramids to illustrate it. So we have got the pyramid of numbers, okay, and we have got pyramid of biomass and also energy. I will start off with energy because we have been talking about it for a while. Okay, so 90% is lost, so which is why you can see here there is the energy lost at every level. Okay, this is not very representative. If you were to represent it accurately, it will be the base is 100 or let's say 10 units. Okay, subsequently the only thing that will be left above in terms of energy is only 1 unit, and the next one is only 1 unit as well, and the last one is getting increasingly harder to draw, is just 1 line. Okay, so this will be a better representation in terms of the ratio of 90% being lost to the environment. Okay, now pyramid of biomass is as suggested by the name mass. It means that it is the total amount of the living tissue. Okay, so which means if I were to take all the grass in one ecosystem and burn it, okay, that will give me the actual biomass. Water content is not taken into consideration because it is a variable that is not controlled. Okay. Pyramid of numbers is unique because it has to do with the number of organisms. Okay. On the grass patch, we have got plenty of rabbits, snakes, eagles living. This is the usual one that we see. The unique one is this. So when we have got one tree can have a lot of beetles, okay, and the beetles can contain multiple proteazoa. So meaning to say, for example, in one tree I can have maybe 100 beetles, okay, because the tree is huge, I can sustain 100 beetles. Okay, now in one of these 100 beetles live 10 parasites, which are the proteazoa. So which means when I have got 100 beetles, I will have 1,000 proteazoa, which is why my pyramid of numbers expand in this direction. Okay, now another example is on the grass, I have got giraffes living. Now you realize that when you watch those documentary shows, giraffes, zebras, horses, they tend to flick their tails. Okay, so the reason why they flick their tails is because they have these flies that are living on them or surrounding them. Okay, depending on the environment, how clean the environment is, etc. So on one giraffe, I can have maybe 10 flies. So if I've got 5 giraffes living on an entire grass patch, I will now have 50 flies that are being present in terms of numbers within that particular area of ecosystem.